What is good, guys? Welcome back to the Topic Games channel. Hope you're all doing excellently. So today we're going to start a brand new series. You guys know I absolutely love a Vinted bargain, and we get so many. I'm going to put one of them on screen right here. So today's series is that we're going to go day by day, seeing what I get and show you guys exactly what I'm able to snipe off of Vinted. Let's get straight into it. I'm so excited. Okay then, so we got about 10 to showcase today, so let's get straight into it. So I managed to pick up these PlayStation 5 controllers. We picked up 3 of them for £60, which worked out to about, with postage and fees, about £66. So £22 per person per controller. Unfortunately, 2 of these controllers had stick drift, I was really disappointed with. I did mention it to the buyer, but unfortunately I ran out of time when it came to putting in a complaint with Vinted, which meant that order auto completed, so I couldn't do anything about that. But that stuff like that happens, guys. You can't really do much. Anyway, let's get into the next one. I don't know if I'll make profit from this. It might have to break even type scenario. Next, we do have these brand new and sealed Switch games. Now, I definitely overpaid for these. It was one of those sort of buys where I wanted to get them. I knew that Freddy's was a good and sealed as well, but unfortunately the neighborhood bundle, which is also brand new and sealed, is about £15-20. I'll make about £5 on this, which I'll be honest just isn't worth it at all. Anyway, that's boring. Let's get into the next one. We got Guitar Hero Greatest Hits, and if you guys don't know this game, get to know. This game is a fantastic buy. We only picked it up for £2, so £5 total, and this game goes for about £20, £15, which hopefully I'll make £10 profit, which I'm really happy with. Next up, we have Gang Beasts. Now guys, look how much I got Gang Beasts for. £3. This game sold to £18-20, which was absolutely insane. I paid £6, sold it for £20. It was around £18-20, which is awesome. That's easily £12 profits. Next up, we do have Death Stranding Special Edition. We only picked this up for £18. Should sell it for about £35-40, netting us about £15 profit. Next up, we do have this awesome game Switch bundle, which included Little Friends, Cats and Dogs, My Sims, and My Little Pony. We only paid £16 for this all in, which works out to about £6 per one, £5.50, £5, which, as you guys know, Switch games are super fast sellers, and I was really happy with this when I picked it up. Stuff like this, guys, you can still get even manual. Now, if you take a look at this listing title, it's labeled Nintendo Switch games. Now, if you guys don't know, a lot of bots work off keywords. So when it comes to sniping these items, if it's Mario Odyssey spelled correctly, then the bot will get it for under a certain price. But when it comes to Switch games, which do not have a title in terms of the actual game name, or they're in a bundle like this called Nintendo Switch games, then the bots won't be able to go for them because they're not automatically buying that, because it's too much of a risk for the actual person running the bot. Hence where manual sniping comes into it, and this is what manual sniping can get you. Next up, we do have this PlayStation 4 bundle, which I was really happy with. Funnily enough, I purchased this, and if I wanted to, I could take it to CEX and they will give me £55 in a voucher or £45 in cash, which is awesome because I don't even need to do anything. Just take it to CEX, bam, got my money in my hand and made profit just like that. But I've sold these and made about £40, £50, £60. But as I say, guys, this is a fantastic bundle. Once again, bundle of PlayStation 4 games. You're more likely to get these type of items than, say, Super Mario Odyssey. Next up, we do have Hot Wheels Unleashed. Look at that, guys. Only £5 paid, which £8 total. I was super stoked when I got this. I was really surprised I got this, funnily enough. And yeah, this sells to CEX for £13 cash or £18 voucher. Managed to sell it for around that, which is great, and made some really easy profit. Finally, guys, I love bundles of games. You know, previously I've just shown you all the bundles of games I've picked up, and just like this is another bundle of games. Look, we have Devil May Cry HD Collection, DMC Definitive Edition, Sega Mega Drive Classics, and Baldur's Gate, which is also an expensive game. Now, this is absolutely insane. £13 paid total. This is just the snipes you can get if you have enough work, enough determination, and if you're lucky enough. So let's be honest, you got to be at the right place at the right time, and it's as simple as that. Now, guys, I hope you found that video really interesting, and if you are interested in more videos like this, make sure to drop that subscribe button. Anyway, see you guys in the next episode.